Hello, dear student. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English and student. Today I'm going to explain the exercise B to you of chapter 10. So, student, this is exercise B. In exercise B, there is a question. Answer this question. Okay? Answer this question. So, student, you have to write the answer of given questions one by one. So, let's start from the number one. So, here is the number one question is, why did Mother Golden send Adam out of the room? Student, the question is, why did Mother Golden send Adam out of the room? So we have to learn the story in our previous video. And now student, today we're going to write the question answer of this chapter. So the answer of this question is, because Mother Golden thinks the kitty wants to come inside the house, so she sent Adam out of the room. Student, what will the answer? The answer will be, because Mother Golden thinks the kitty wants to come inside the house, so she sent Adam out of the room. Okay, now come to the next question. The next question is, what did Ruth and Mary want to do with the baby? So, question number second is, what did Ruth and Mary want to do with the baby? So, the answer will be, Ruth and Mary wants to take care of little baby. They wants to wash and dress him. The answer is, Ruth and Mary wants to take care of little baby. They wants to wash and dress him. Okay? After number second, come to the next question. It is question number third. In question number 3, there is a question, what did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? So student, here is the question, what did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? So we learn the story and we learn in the chapter that when Mother Golden examining the baby cloth, she found a paper. Okay, and in the paper she saw a few words written in a rough hand. The word was, his mother is dead and father was a waster. So student, so we have to write the answer according to the question. So here is the question, what did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? So we have to write, when Mother Golden examining the baby's clothes, she found a folded paper and saw a few words written in a rough hand. Okay, after that, come to the next question. So the question number 4. In question number 4, here is the question, what did Father Golden first say that they should do with the baby? What was the family's response? Student, we have read the story and we know that the Golden families found a baby boy and at their doorstep. Okay, and first of all, they all are surprised to see the baby, and after that, one by one, the all family members are agreed to keep the baby in their home. But the Father Golden was not agreed. So Father Golden decided to send the babies in orphanage. So now that's time that all the family members will be not agree. Okay, so here is the question related to that exercise that we learn in the story. So here is the question, what did Father Golden first say that they should do with the baby? What was the family's response? So we have to write the answer. Firstly, Father Golden wants to send the baby in orphanage. Student, what the spelling of orphanage? Here are the spelling of orphanage. Orphanages, orphanage, because they already had five children. The Golden family already had the five children to take care of. So the father Golden asked to Mother Golden, so we have to send this baby to orphanage, but all the family members are not agreed with the decision of Father Golden. So that time all family members were not agreed to Father Golden. So we have to write only firstly, Father Golden wants to send the baby in orphanage because they already had five children. So that time all family members were not agreed to Father Golden. Okay, student, it is the answer of question number 4. Now come to the next question. Here is the question number 5. So in question number 5, you can see the question age. What did the baby look like? Describe him in your own words. Student, you have to write about the baby. How did he look? And you have to write in your own words. So you have to write the baby had the rosy dimple creature, the yellow floss ruffled all over his head, his sweet little mouth open in a beaming smile. Okay, you have to write the baby had the rosy dimpled creature, the yellow floss ruffled all over his head, his sweet little mouth open in a beaming smile. So, this is the answer of question number 5. Now, come to the next question in question number 6. So, here is the question number 6. In question number 6, the question is describe briefly how the family selected a name for the baby. So, student, we have learned the story. We have read and learned the story, and we know that how could the baby get the name Baby Benjamin. So, here are the question. Describe briefly how the family selected a name for the baby. So, student, I want to tell you something about the baby. First of all, the Golden family had have a baby in their doorstep. Okay, the Golden family found a baby in their doorstep and they welcomed it. Okay, so they decided to take care of the baby and they also named him Little Benjamin. But the question is, describe briefly how to find family selected name for the baby. So how the Golden family selected name Little Benjamin for the baby. So Mother Golden said that their all children have a Bible name, so she decided to don't cut off the privilege of this new baby. So she decided to give the new baby name of Bible. Okay, so she said to his son Joseph, go and bring a Bible. And when the Joseph come with the Bible and when he opened it, they found a name of King Little Benjamin. So that time they decided to give this name to little baby. Okay, so we have to write answer. Mother Golden said that all her children have Bible name. She don't want to cut off this privilege. So she sent Joseph to bring the Bible. Joseph opened the Bible and they got the name Little Benjamin. So that's the way the little baby got name Little Benjamin. Okay. So student, we have to complete our exercise B. So after that, you have also write it with a good handwriting in your notebook. Okay, student, I hope is that clear to you how to write this exercise B in your notebook with good handwriting. And student, you have also learned this exercises, exercise A or B. Exercise A, I will already give you the videos, and now today's video is related to exercise B. Okay student, so you have to complete your notebook with a good handwriting. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your study well. Okay, thank you.